CyberClean. This Swiss patented putty is a high-tech cleaning compound that eliminates 100% of germs. It's ideal for sanitizing any of your electronic devices. Simply press it down and peel, don't rub, and it'll kill off those disease-carrying germs. Phone soap. Did you know that your phone is dirtier than a toilet seat? Thanks to the phone soap sanitizer, you won't have to stress about cleaning it. 100% of the germs on your smartphone will be killed. Simply plug it in and let it work its UV light magic in just 10 minutes. Nasal Guard Airborne Particle Blocker. The Nasal Guard is a lifesaver during flu season or whenever you travel. Simply rub it around your nose and nostrils and it'll create a barrier against contaminated air, virus-sized particles, mold, pollen, pet dander, and dust mites. The clear solution is drug-free and non-irritating. Seat sitters. Feel safe and protected when you take your seat on an airplane or in a movie theater. These seat sitters are non-woven, reusable, eco-friendly, and slide right over any chair. In the package, you'll also find a disposable tray cover, sanitary wipes, and an allergy mask. Sterapod Clip-on Toothbrush Protector. Don't let your toothbrush collect dust and who knows what else while sitting in a cup. Clip on these covers and they'll keep your brush off of any surface while it dries, thanks to the specially designed cap that allows air to flow freely. Blueland the Clean Essentials. It's no secret that the best way to rid your home of germs is to keep it spotless, but instead of polluting your atmosphere with harmful chemicals. Opt for Blueland's chic cleaning kits that contain naturally derived and synthetic ingredients in tablet form. When you're ready to start spritzing, simply drop a tablet into an included Forever bottle filled with water and kill those germs. Grip Keychain Silicone Door Handle Openers. From door handles, to touch pads, crosswalk buttons, to even toilet flushes, there are so many germy things out there you should avoid touching with your bare hands. These silicone finger guards can attach to your keychain for convenient use, protecting your hands in public spaces. Clip a 2-bag hanger. Keep your handbag high off the ground with a sturdy clip-able hook that can hang onto practically any ledge or surface. Dangle it from the side of a restaurant table while dining, or atop a public restroom stall to keep your favorite bag dirt and bacteria free. Simple Human Rectangular Voice and Sensor Trash Can. For any germaphobe, touching your garbage may feel unsafe and unsanitary, but with this voice and sensor controlled option, you can keep your hands clear of the yuck. Simply say, "Open can" to lift the lid, or wave a hand above its smart motion sensor, and it'll automatically open at your command. Brita Premium Filtering Water Bottle. If you'd rather not take any chances on tap water, this portable filtering water bottle will take care of chlorine and common debris, such as rust, dirt, sand, and sediments with every sip. The filter is attached to the straw, so you don't have to wait for the water to trickle down like you do with a normal Brita filter. Secura Automatic Soap Dispenser. Even if you wash your hands a million times a day, the thought of touching a pump riddled with bathroom bacteria could make any germaphobe squirm. This automatic option features an infrared sensor that dispenses soap at the simple wave of a hand, so you can wash without any worries. Grassworks Clean Machine High Traffic Doormat. If you're a real germaphobe, you, and anyone else who walks through your door, must take off their shoes so dirt doesn't get tracked throughout the house. With this Grass Works mat, your house will stay even more dirt-free with its triple action cleaning. It grabs, holds, and hides the dirt. The mat itself can trap up to a pound of dirt a week. When you need to clean it, simply shake out the dirt and rinse off the mat. Germ Guardian. Standing at just 22 inches high, this air purifier will eliminate 100% of dust and allergens as small as 3 microns. It also works to fight mold with the UVC light technology.